Okay, so now I'm going to take you inside the venue. This is just another entrance into the inside, and you can see the indoor space. Our barn is about 4,400 square feet, so it is a really good sized barn. You can see that we've got pretty lights up at the top with some really pretty chandeliers. This is the back entrance, and so you've got two restrooms towards the back. This is the men's restroom, and it is large enough to accommodate up to 3 people at a time, and it is indoor, fully plumbed. Sometimes you don't always have that with barn venues, but we do have really nice indoor bathrooms. And then I'll show you the ladies' room. It has space for 3 people as well. Really good size, so ladies can come in and have plenty of space. They've got a double vanity. They are ADA accessible. And then back to the main venue, the inside of the barn. Like I said, it's about 4,400 square feet. You've got lots of windows to bring in pretty natural light. Nice wooden floor. This over here is our buffet, and it is about 9 feet long, so whatever kind of spread of food you might want to put out, we've got plenty of room for it. Everything inside is paneled with wood from the property, so that's always a fun fact to know. We've got a space for a bar, and it's a good sized bar. It's probably a 7 or 8 foot bar. And your bartender would be included with your package. You would bring your own alcohol, but we will pour for you for a certain number of hours. So you've got, and we will provide we'll provide the ice. You guys just bring the drinks and the cups or the glasses. Your tables and chairs and your tablecloths are included in your package. You tell us how many guests you want to accommodate, and we will be able to provide seating and tables for those guests. This is also our backup plan in case it rains and you can't have your ceremony outside. You would get married at the front where those 2 vintage door frames are. We can create an altar up there, and that is not something that you guys would have to worry about. It is something that the barn would take care of. It is something we would provide for you so that you don't have to worry about it. Your DJ has a space up here, and he has got his own, and the DJ would have his own circuit so that he can hook up whatever he needs to be able to provide you guys with music and sound and lights and whatever else he might want to bring. We will provide a table for you to have your wedding cake on. We can provide anything you would need to be able to accommodate whatever food you want to serve. So your guests have plenty of space in here. You've also got a really good sized dance floor. Right now there are enough tables and chairs in here to accommodate about 150. The barn can accommodate 200. Your dance floor is much smaller when you have 200 guests, just so that we can fit all of the tables and whatnot in here, but we can still provide a dance floor. It just won't be huge. Let's see. You've got your entrance here, which leads out to the parking lot. And then you have another entrance and exit that leads back out to the patio, which is where most of the bridal party will come out of to be able to go to their ceremony, to be able to go to the ceremony site. And again, just another view of the ceremony site. Here's the kitchen space, which is attached to the barn, and it is all indoor. So your caterer has plenty of space to be able to prep whatever it is that they need. We've got 2 large coolers to accommodate whatever needs to be chilled, including drinks. And then they've got plenty of space to be able to set out chafers and extra food. And then we also have several rental items available as well, and that's something that we can talk more about when you guys come in and see it in person. And just one last view.